Hello guys, it's back. Quick Five is back. I think it was quite boring for all you guys, all of you, like in the first few months of Quick Five. But I guess we are renovating things, we are moving forward with new things, and we are introducing quite nothing in the renovation. But yeah, of course, it's gonna be a bit more organized. You're gonna have some amazing, creative, and interesting content, unlike some boring study vids. And I may upload it during the exam times or something for just helping you out guys, and there may be some other reasons too, but yeah, mostly it's gonna be interesting, wow, and all that. So we are gonna continue, and I'm going to show you guys what all content is going to be uploaded today. So this is basically like a re-innovation video or something. You can understand it whatever you think, so that'll be best. First of all, we are moving with Wow. Wow is going to be a main focus of our channel, and Wow, like interesting videos, wonderful observation and wisdom, and all that, blah blah blah. So we are going to do that about Wow. Wow is going to be a focus, and we'll also have movie reviews. Movie reviews, as said, I wouldn't just say that this movie is good and it's wonderful, 5 stars and all that. I know that'll be quite boring. I would rather spoil the movie and try to do some Easter eggs too, because I can't like really show the video on the screen with the pictures. I may include pictures because that will be a copyright if I put a video and I didn't get permission for that. So I think it's just going to be a PPT in which all that things written, and I will be just recording it. So I think that'll be boring, but still I'll try to include some pics, showing you the Easter eggs and something, whatever I find useful. I'll try to spoil the movie, and I think I won't read it from a text. I'll rather explain it. I guess few improvements. Quick Five was an introduction to YouTube because it was the first time I ever started YouTube. My first channel, in fact, and my only channel, of course. So it was quite of a blunder, the early days. But I think with a new channel, like a new beginning, a new content, we must have something new. So this is going to be our final logo. Explore the world with us, because we are going to take you every place. We are going to explore single inch of the world through YouTube, with you sitting on the sofa or couch anywhere, and it's gonna be quite fun. So I hope you share, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and enjoy it. Of course, it's gonna be a long run. Like, I'm not gonna quit it anytime soon. It was a long time, 2 months, 3 months since I uploaded a vid, because I was really busy with exams. Like, we had many things going on. So now I think it's going to be better. And Quick Five, please help us achieve the target of 50 subs, like in 1 month. 1 month would be enough, like 50 subs in any time. We just need 50 subs, and the next target would be 65 subs. So thank you all for watching Quick Five, and I really appreciate you for watching Quick Five. Make sure you press the bell notification so that you can be updated with the latest interesting videos, unlike the old boring ones. And I'm definitely sure you'll enjoy it, because I'm going to put a lot more work into Quick Five now. So I guess, please, like, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications, so that you can be updated with our everyday videos. Not every day, like Sunday or Friday videos. So that'll be good. I'll be uploading a video every Friday. So one week there would be a video, and so it's just a time, like, anytime, but just be aware on Friday that Quick Five is going to upload a video, and I think that would be enough for this video. So thank you all. Have a nice day.